this? Evaluate integration R into n dA. N is normal position vector. Evaluate this where S is closed surface. So this is a point. हमें वो क्लू दे रहा है कि हमने यहाँ पे क्या इस्तेमाल करना है, डाइवर्जेंस थ्योरम। डाइवर्जेंस थ्योरम क्या था कि क्लोज सरफेस में आपका जो सरफेस इंटीग्रल है, क्या है सरफेस इंटीग्रल? ए, सरफेस इंटीग्रल था आपका ए into dA dot dA is equal to a volume integral of a del operator and a dV, where S is surface and V is the volume. It is the Gauss's divergence theorem where A is equal to A dot dA is equal to del surface integral is equal to divergence. Divergence is the dot. Okay, so here we have R is equal to R dot n dA equals to integration del. A is a vector, so we use this vector here, so we will use R instead of A and dV. So that operator is partial over partial xi, partial over partial yj, and partial over partial zk, and R is xi yj zk and dV with respect to d and v. So we put this value delta here and R here. So the next is taking the derivative with respect to dV. I into I, j into j, and z into z. I j j dot I j j k k is equal to 1. So the answer will be del over del x, del y over del y, del z over del z dV. So with respect to this, the integration will be partial integration 1 dV, 3 dV. 3 is the constant. We will take the derivative 1 with respect to 1, 3v. So this is the answer. We have to find evaluate this where S is a closed surface. We will use divergence theorem. Divergence theorem, which is this divergence theorem. So we will put a value of a del operator, partial over partial xi, partial over partial yj, partial over partial zk, and the value of R with respect to dV. Multiply this term with iijjkk and we will get this answer. And with the partial derivative with respect to x, y and z is equal to 1 1 1 1 plus 1 plus 1 3. It is a constant. We will get we replace is in the front of the integration sign. 3 integration dv 1. The integration of 1 with respect to v is v. So the answer of R d n is equal to 3v with respect to dv. This is the answer. But we have to find we have to learn this formula divergence, which is Divergence is S A into dA is equal to volume dV. This is the formula.